Your DJI Osmo Pocket might be capturing video, but if you're not controlling focus and exposure from the Mimo app, you're leaving quality on the table. Most users just rely on auto settings until their shots come out blurry or too bright. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust focus and exposure right from the app. So let's do this right now. First, turn on your camera, then open up the Mimo app on your phone. After that, make sure to connect the app. Now tap the camera icon to get live view. Then tap once on the screen to make the focus/metering box appear. Look for a sun icon near the yellow box. Now drag the slider to up to make the image brighter. Drag the slider to down to make it darker. Now long press on the area you want to lock the focus. After a moment, a yellow box will appear with a small lock symbol in the corner. The focus and exposure are locked now, and it will not change, even if the composition moves. And that's it. This is how to adjust focus and exposure right from the app. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.